Okay, let's introduce D5's BL firmware and burning. D5's BL firmware is Catapult's firmware. It has been burned before leaving the factory. Of course, there may be unexpected circumstances, or the older main board. It was not burned by the factory. The burning of the BL firmware is here in the document. Bootloader firmware for D5. The third connection method is USB connection. D5 main board will leave the factory on September 1, 2024. Catapult's firmware is already pre-installed. When bootloader firmware is missing, you need to refresh this BL firmware. Then we enter the burning tutorial. This is entering DFU burning mode. We recommend the first way to enter. It's faster and more convenient. The next step in entering DFU is to burn the firmware. Here are two burning methods, Windows burning and host computer burning tutorial. We recommend the host computer burning tutorial. At present, the Windows burning tutorial is not stable. The host computer burning method will be used here. This requires the preparation of a host computer with Clipper. Okay, let's talk about what to prepare first. We need to prepare two USB Type-C data cables. Then one piece brushed Clipper's host computer. Then our main board D5. We need to check whether the factory has flushed the Catapult firmware. Let's connect the host computer to the computer first. Insert into the Type-C port of the host computer. Plug it into the USB port of the computer. Then use the USB port here. Connect the D5 board. Plug it in and flash, there is BL firmware Catapult. If there is BL firmware, there is no need to burn it. The second situation. There is no flashing light after connecting. Double-click the booto. The light will flash here, indicating that it has entered the Catapult firmware. In the second situation, there is no need to burn the BL firmware. Go back to the previous video and burn the Clipper firmware and you can use it. If you plug it in and double-click, the light not flash. May the button is broken or there is no BL firmware Catapult. Please race wipe the Catapult firmware. We start burning the tutorial. We enter the DFU burning mode. Let's press and hold this boot button first. Press and hold this button, then insert the Type-C wire. Plug it in and then release it. We go back to the computer. Let's install the burning tool first. Fly the host computer without installing the burning tool. For other upper computers, please copy this instruction to install. The installation process requires networking. There is a high probability that it will not finish running. It is a network problem. Copy this command LUSP. We connect to the host computer. You need to enter your account password here. FlyOS fast to log into the root account. MELLOW. Okay, we are in. Right-click paste and paste the command. Then enter. It will come out. We have entered DFU. If you don't enter, please repeat the previous steps of entering DFU burning. Or try the second method of burning the tutorial. After entering DFU, because I am using FlyPy v2 host computer, I don't need to install dependent packages. Let's pull the pre-compiled firmware first. We copy this instruction. Then press enter. This requires a network. If the network is not good, it will not load well. If it can't be loaded, you can try several times. You can also go to the after-sales group to find management and ask for local files. Okay, I'm done here. After running, we'll go next. Paste directly. Enter. Finishing it prompts us to take the next step. You must enter the DFU burning mode when you get here. After the next step, we copy this firmware swipe command. Right-click, paste, then enter. Okay, it appears here. It means the swiping is successful. Okay, we're going to re-plug and unplug it after brushing. After plugging and unplugging, let's check if it has flushed the Bell firmware catapult. Okay, double-click the reset button and it's blinking here. It's already brushed. Okay, we're done swiping the BL firmware catapult.